Me on that sequence was the clock at the beginning, you know, that like you're inside the clock, and then the cars whizzing along, and all those little sound effects, the trains as we go into the station, the little voices of the people going through the corridor, how much steam, how much music, you know, those balances were very important to Marty to get those right. He didn't want to really play the sound effects too much, but they're in there, you know. And with the way that the score blended with the sound effects was just, you know, it was great. I mean, I saw the nightmare train sequence where he sees the key on the tracks and then the train falls through the station, and I heard the score and I thought to myself, how are we ever going to get this score to work with all those sound effects? But when we put it together, you could hear it all.
There's a boy on the track! Get out of the way! There's a boy! There's a thing! Turn it off!